Hello everyone. With all the different types of wood flooring you can buy, how do you know which is the right choice for you? So the first two floors I'm going to talk about today are both real wood. One is engineered and one is solid. So what is the difference if they're both real wood? Well, solid wood, like in its name, is solid. That just means that it comes from a single piece cut from the tree. And engineered is made of a bunch of layers stacked on top of each other. So if you take a look, you can see right here how this is just one solid piece fit together. There's no layers right here in the middle. And alternatively, if you take a look at engineered, right here, you can see all those little layers stacked on top of each other. Okay, see that? So why would there be a difference? What benefits does adding layers compared to just keeping it solid do for the flooring itself? Well, it has to do with the fluctuations in the temperatures and the moisture content in your house or building. So solid wood really doesn't have the flexibility to expand and contract like the engineer does with all of its multiple layers. So this flooring is more used in basements or any floor that is below grade, or let's just say high moisture areas like the beaches. As for solid wood, where it does better in drier climates or areas where there's not many temperature fluctuations. That being said, it's really important when you install these two different flooring types to make sure that they're allowed to acclimate. So solid hard wood requires 4 to 6 weeks of acclimation, shorter times if it's a drier climate, longer times if it's a wetter climate. Engineered only takes 3 to 5 days.